regarding people's responses to thinking unanimously that two-party system.
Oh, the two-party system doesn't work. Yeah. So here's the thing, though. I do think that we, the Republicans, for example, were a very successful third party, right? And so we have had a little more fluidity when it came to parties. I think that part of the issue is that it's gotten so large that it's very difficult, for lack of a better term, a startup. I mean, if I looked at it through an entrepreneurial term, I think it's very hard for a startup to function, because there's so much patronage doled out by each one of the parties that if you're really serious about politics and you get in early and all of that, you've got a lot of loyalty to your party, good, bad, or otherwise, because that's where your bread's buttered. I personally think that we might benefit from a 3 or 4 party system. Not that we officially sanction this or whatever, but just the idea that at least if there was a third party, right, it doesn't devolve into this never-ending football game of my side's right, your side's wrong. It's stunning that the things that, for example, George Bush was just castigated for, all of the policies about the war on terror and all of that, basically, those have all been continued, but it's okay now because the Democrats doing that, right? And I'm not saying that from a, hey, yay, George Bush perspective. I'm just saying that, folks, nothing has changed. Nothing's changed, except there are folks not screaming about it now because, well, they're on my team, and, well, I know that my team's got to win, so it's cool, right? And that's the part that frustrates me. And I'm sure that if we thought here for a second, we could come up with the Republican version of the same thing, right? It's funny, I always feel defensive, but, I think I have my street cred in terms of being truly an independent. And so, yeah, I think that, the Republicans are messed up, Democrats are messed up. Mm-hmm. I think that everybody's messed up at some level or another, but more choices would allow us to triangulate in terms of the important issues of the day and, minimize other things. And so, personally, I find myself to be a financially conservative, but socially liberal person. Mm-hmm. And, I fluctuate as to if it's easier to convince Democrats or to teach Democrats about economics and tax policy, or teach Republicans about tolerance and how you should interact with other people. And I flip back and forth. I can't figure out which one's the harder harder to sell. Yeah, you know what I mean? It's an interesting now that I've rambled on here, I'm not sure I can remember really your actual question. That's the problem with talking to me, huh?
That's a good ramble. It was good. So